The concept of infinity. In India, a coiled snake, Ananta, on which Lord Vishnu rests, represents infinity. The drawing of Ananta was widely used in sculptures, paintings, poetry, literature, handicrafts and textiles, motifs all over in medieval India. India was regularly exporting textile piece goods called Indian with the Ananta motifs to Arabia in 1415 and 1600, which also travelled to Europe. Coming across this drawing of the textile motifs in 1655, John Wallis, the British mathematician, most probably derived the present mathematical symbol for infinity from these drawings of the coiled snake Ananta, which represented endlessness and infinity. Professor Fritz Stahl, Professor Emeritus Philosophy and South and Southeast Asian Studies, University of California, Berkeley, USA, stated ancient India had recognized infinity, whereas other civilizations frowned upon it. Famous German physicist Albert Einstein had said, "We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made." In the words of the noted historian A.L. Basham, in his book The Wonder That Was India, the debt of Western world to India in the field of mathematics cannot be overestimated. Most of the great discoveries and inventions that Europe is so proud of would have been impossible without a developed system of mathematics in India. And this in turn would have been impossible if Europe had been shackled by the unwieldy system of Roman numerals. Everything and nothing is same in Indian thought. Prior to the creation of the universe, the 5 primordial elements were inside the Hiranyagarbha, a bindu, just a dot, the mark of zero. The moment the Big Bang, Brahmanda Visfotak, took place, the cosmic egg blasted open and all the elements spewed out instantaneously from nothing to measurable infinity. Relating to the state of the universe before and after creation, the Indian mind, from one abstract concept of zero, shunya, reached out to the abstract on the other end of the spectrum, which is the concept of ananta, infinity, that which is beyond measure without any end. Back in India, there was a definition for infinity which was recited and practiced in everyday Homa conducted right from Vedic days. This verse is found in Satpataha Brahmana and Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. The shloka speaks of the understanding of the concept of infinity in India. Infinity derives from infinity. If one takes away infinity from infinity, only infinity remains. A concept that the West grasped and understood only thousands of years later. The home of knowledge, wisdom and philosophy for thousands of years. This is amazing India.